Good morning, students. This is for this computer subject. We are going to start the first chapter, that is history of computers. We will go with the introduction. Computers are essential components which fulfill everyday tasks in our lives. They are known for the speed, accuracy, diligence, high storage capacity, versatility, and communication abilities. Computers have come a long way from simple calculating machines to the powerful, complex supercomputers. As we all know that the computers which we use today, it was not like that in the past. So, how we were doing the calculations? We were doing the calculations by just counting on fingers, and we were using the different type of devices to count. So, the first topic is early calculating devices. First one is abacus, Napier's bone, then Pascaline calculator, reference engine, analytical engine. You should remember this sequence. First, we will go with the abacus. Abacus was the first numerical calculator developed in China approximately in 2600 BC. It performs simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. An abacus consists of beads. The round, what you can see, are known as beads that can be moved on a series of sticks within a wooden frame. Now, also, we are doing the calculation with the help of abacus. Next one is Napier's bone. Napier's bone was invented in 1617 by Scottish mathematician Sir John Napier. The device was used to solve complex multiplication and division calculations easily. It consisted of rods made from bones with numbers marked on them. The rods which you can see, they are made up of bones. That's why its name kept as Napier's bone. The next one is Pascaline calculator. The Pascaline calculator was developed in 1642 by a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal. It was made up of wheels, dials, and gears. It could solve complex mathematical calculations involving large numbers. Before that, we were able to do the calculations but with the small numbers. But with the help of Pascaline calculator, we can do the calculation with the large numbers. It is considered as the first mechanical calculator in the world. Abacus was the first numerical calculator and Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator. The dials and gears and wheels, what you can see, they were moved and the calculations was done. The next one is difference engine. Difference engine was invented in 1822 by Charles Babbage of England. This device was made from mechanical parts. It could perform tabular calculations. The next one is analytical engine. The analytical engine was also invented by Charles Babbage in 1833. This machine was made from steam driven mechanical parts, means ये मशीन भाप से चलती थी. It could perform all the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now we will go for the next, that is why Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. As we know, Charles Babbage has invented difference engine and analytical engine. The analytical engine which he has made has all the main components which a modern computer has. That is, our modern computer has input device, output device, storage device, and a central processing unit. This was all present in the analytical engine, and for that reason we call Charles Babbage as the father of modern computers. The next topic is evolution of computers. The computer that we use today is the outcome of development of different generations of computing devices. Each generation of computers is categorized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operate. Each generation resulted in a smaller, cheaper, more powerful, and more reliable computers. As we know that in the past, the computers which we are using now, it was not like that. The CPU was very large, it was not portable, we cannot take it from one place to another, and it was not fast in computing also. But nowadays, what all computers we are using, it is very different from the past. So this evolution of computers is divided into 5 generation. That is first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer, and fifth generation computer. This will be our next topic. I will be just adding one video with this. Be prepared for the next class with the evolution of computers. Thank you.